Hello everyone. Today I am going to go over the process of claiming a physician profile. So the first thing you want to do in order to claim a physician profile is go up to the top right here and click register. We have 4 different options to register for a DoveMed account. We have Facebook, Gmail, LinkedIn, or just type in your email. Today I'm just going to type in an email. I am then going to create a password. And I'm going to retype my password. And sign up. After I register for a DoveMed account, I now need to verify my email address. So I'm just going to go to my email. I received my email. It said, "Welcome to DoveMed." Just click on the link. And here it says, "Jump in and get started." Just click on this green link. Alright, so what it's going to do now is just take you to a page that's going to ask you to take a survey. This is a survey that you do not have to take, but I'm going to take it anyways. So I'm going to take survey. It's going to ask for my age. Now it's going to ask male or female. I'm a male. And where am I located? United States, Illinois, and Urbana. And just click finish. Alright, after I finish that, I'm just going to go right back to the home page. After verifying my email address, I now need to claim my physician profile. So for the sake of this video, I am going to claim a physician named Gregory Smith. So I'm just going to go down to physicians here and search for Gregory Smith. So I'm under last name, I'm going to type in Smith, search. I'm going to go down, and Gregory Smith MD right here. I'm going to click on Gregory Smith. And here's his profile. So under this blue label where it says claim profile, just click claim profile. And now it's going to go through a 3-step process here just to verify you are Gregory Smith. So it's going to ask for Gregory Smith's legal name, yes. MPI number, click yes. And there's a perjury statement, just click yes again. Alright, after you do that, it says thank you for claiming your physician profile. So generally it takes up to 3 business days in order for you to receive a notification that your verification went through. I'm just going to speed up this process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click OK. And after resetting the page, Gregory Smith's physician profile is now verified. And that is the complete process of claiming a physician profile. If you like this video, please click the like button in the bottom right and subscribe to our YouTube channel. There will be more how-to videos coming very soon. Thank you very much for watching the video.